Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by using a personal or work Google account, sign in, and go straight to Skillshop. Once there, choose the certification relevant to your role so you focus on the right content. Make sure to check prerequisites and recommended courses, because that prevents wasted study time later. Next, add the courses to your learning path and start the first module. This structures your time and tracks progress automatically. Once you've enrolled in the modules, work through hands-on labs and end-of-module checks. They reinforce concepts and mimic the exam style. Use practice exams to find weak areas, then revisit those lessons. This targeted review saves hours. Also, set an exam window during a quiet period, confirm your internet stability, and have a valid ID ready for verification so you won't be interrupted when you sit the timed. When you pass, Skillshop posts the certificate to your profile instantly. You can download the PDF or share the badge to LinkedIn. Make sure to record the expiration date so you schedule recertification in time. If the certificate doesn't appear, try clearing browser cache and cookies, sign out and sign back in, or attempt a different browser. If problems persist, contact Skillshop support with your account email and exam timestamp for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.